Now to one of the most important cake-making ingredients. You can make cakes with different kinds of fat. There's block butter, which was most commonly used, but it's hard, and it's a real pain waiting for it to be soft enough to make a cake. Then there's whipped fat, which is suitable for vegetarians, and because it's soft, you can whip up everything in the bowl together. It does make a light cake, but it lacks the wonderful flavour of butter. But we think this is the very best option, spreadable butter, which contains pure butter, but with a little bit of oil added. So you get the butter flavour, but the oil also gives the cake extra moistness. And the best news, it can be used instantly without having to remember to take it out of the fridge.